Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to add indicator in TradingView mobile. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TradingView application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TradingView application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the watch list interface. What you have to do is tap on the chart option that you can see right next to the option watch list. Now you'll be led to the chart interface. You can open the chart of your choice. So if you want to add the indicator, what you have to do is look into the toolbar. Over here, you'll be able to find several icons. Simply tap on the icon of Analysis Hub. Now you can see over here, Analysis Hub will be opened. In the Tools section, you'll be able to find the options like Indicators, Compare, Alerts, Bar Replay, etc. Tap on the option Indicators. Now the indicators options will open up. You'll be able to find three options over here: technicals, financials, community. Tap on any option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option technicals. Now you'll be able to find several indicators over here. Simply find the indicator that you want to add and tap on it. If you do not find the indicator right over here, you can also search for it in the search bar. Here I'm just going to tap on the option 24-hour volume. Now you can see over here that indicator will be added. Simply go back. Now you can see over here that particular indicator will be added to your chart. So that is how you add indicator in TradingView mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.